So today he will share with us a composition by Dharma King, Jigme Phuntsok, titled Sound of the Divine Drum, Advice at a Time of Victory. 各位金刚道友，今天是一个大好日子，因为我们今天可以能够迎接Khenchen喇嘛。大家对Khenchen喇嘛都应该是比较熟悉，他是我们上师多年的好友。他每次到新加坡，就会到来我们的道场跟我们讲法。今天他要讲解就是Jigme Phuntsok法王的胜利之歌天鼓妙音，我们很感恩的迎接他们。
Good morning, everyone. 在西德了，大家好，阿弥陀佛。I need today to translate Chinese, English, and I use Tibetan language. Okay, thank you everyone. Welcome to Greater Perfection Center here. I short teaching and only 1 hour. His Holiness Jigme Phuntsok's teaching. First, I like to say thank you very much organization Greater Perfection Center here, and Dharma Khandros and other lady and gentlemen and boy and girl and all yogi and yoginis really here. I'm so happy. I try thank you again. Maybe no need to translator. I'm joking, not English, not translator Chinese. But we reading times, you can help me is Chinese. Sometimes Chinese first understand, second, last maybe I don't understand the Chinese language. English I can reading, and also English we reading first together, and Tibetan pronunciation we can reading together. And secondly, I like to say again, thank you really Paman Khando last time, King Kesar, Rinpoche, Garanda, and 16 victorious organization, Coastal King Kesar. Some here, Asia and Europe, America sponsor. We did 500 and King Kesar, but we special King Kesar, we did organization. This all sponsor everybody. Thank you very much. This I now little bit try or some sari first, then after exactly we focusing is Dharma, yeah. And number third, now we doing here really Greater Perfection Center. Or this member, or I really see again very happy. Sometimes I am very nervous. I come here, everybody so respect of me really. Then I say, oh no, we is just like a family, just like a family. Then and very hard working Thai in Singapore Center, Greater Perfection. We move things very busy, but more take care of me. That is today is I'm here very high chair. Khenchen Lama Rinpoche's Dharma's specialist here. Then I am. He is my guru. I was young, and we almost know 40 years. I was very young. Then he teach to me Sutra, and then Sutra Maha Yoga Mahayana's teaching of Bodhisattva. This time I was young. Then we never change. I very respect. He is my guru. And Gyemo Monastery. Gyemo Monastery in Khenchen Lama last year or this year, my mom sometimes almost passed away. I am inner very sad, but we earn permanence. Because my great master passed away, mom passed away. Everything is gone this world. Now, these times in Japan, now problem, everybody this knows, right? Waters, weathers. These times, what we do, Dharma brothers, sisters, on both and we focusing great belief of Buddha Dharmas here, and its dedication, other, take care of environment, take care of our body, speech, and mind. Focusing, example, inner, very, very is poor, respect Buddha Dharmas, poor, then 100% benefit ourselves, benefit others. This is very important. I first tell you this. Why I tell this recently, half samsara, half nirvana, but no half samsara can do any nirvana. Samsara, we very happens, problems, then we need something special things, this is nirvana. Yeah, this number 3 to tell you everyone. This I tell a little bit publics because we know especially our Dharma brother and sisters long times. Now we firmly said if any problems you question directly at me. I'm very lucky Khenchen Lama Rinpoche's center here really is good organization. You all better and better. Every year very strong do meditation and every month Dharma activity. Really great, you know. I never forget, you know. This time very short teaching, but really we try best on the world and the Greater Perfection Center do meditation things. This is my motivation, and especially last, I tell you, Khenchen Lama was a Rinpoche, long life, and also he's a great wish, Greater Perfection Center, and he come back soon in Singapore. This is we together. Then you all great lucky, and you find a good master really in the world, best. He's Guru Pama, Khenchen Pama Onjuru, Khenchen Ishijamsu, Kembo Onlu, Kambo Ondi. Those are really great Bodhisattva and Buddha. Then this lineage all Greater Perfection Center here. Then I'm happy. Sometimes I come here outside, I'm looking here, Pamankandos, and they are doing is meditation every day is 10th and Lakini days, prayers, and morning pujas and afternoons pujas, all the times doing. We on board and no forget every do meditation practice things. This is very important. If today do tomorrow forget, then we lose Dharma, you know. This tomorrow means maybe lying, you know. Not exactly doing, you know. Okay, tomorrow means tomorrow never end. This means maybe never do meditations. Now, not tomorrow, every day, every practice, every 10 and 25 or Buddha, medicine Buddha times to do meditation. This I'm so happy. This I only is a public tell here everyone's. Now, do you have everyone today teaching the text? You have? If you don't have, you check Facebook. I put theirs and WeChat also. They are teaching. I show you. Okay, everybody knows. Try to this prayer. Then I lineage prayer. try. You try. Or difficult? This is important. Example, you do kolos, you do malas. But good Guru Rinpoche teaching there is a Jigme. You no forget mantra, you no forget mudra. Never stop. This is you try kolo, good. But the most important you do mudra, mantra, you know. For example, this time the first try this one great show, then this great mutra, wish all sentient beings reach the great liberation. Guru Rinpoche Renda Sambhava, then peace, Guru Rinpoche Vajrasato, Guru Rinpoche Mberotsana, Guru Rinpoche Amitapa, Guru Rinpoche Archu Buddha, Amukasada, the 5 Buddhas, Guru Rinpoche's enlightenment. Prayer. This reason first try this one, second, last, focusing this mutra. Then after we do some banzar, Guru Pema Sada Hong. This most self empowerment. Today, no gift empowerment, but you empower yourself. You know that is very important. Example, His Holiness Khenchen Lama was always no here, but you blessings, visualization, Khenchen's visualization, Guru Rinpoche's, you bless yourself empowerment. That is very important. You know. Okay, one more, last one. Tumba Tsome Pamakara Jara, Chuzelon de Shurge Gombani, Wasri Honsalon, Kishonze, Drishin, Turkin Rodenze, Khenchen Chuji Jarbo Labjanzara, and Chamber Shivja Ganje, Tenyaze, Tutsi was there, Drishivar de Shara, Salam Tazi, Dembasamze, Ringzen Jigme Lomba Labjanzara, Shenezon, Shinyan Sarzone, Songan Ho, and Dirce Talango, Konla Kondran, Zepan Taib. Jigme Jarwenya Survande, Shetra Jarviti Poshavala, not the Tepe on Shushavara, Soma Pancha Dungaron, Jigme Chujion, Survande, Riton Jahorajon Nation of Lake, Gompolon, Le Papa de Jero, Ronto Chunza Jamson, Abdancha, Anzadam, Benzayala, Survande, Jigme Chitu Zombe, De Long, Benzola Basamji, Huntenzo, by Pending Johnny Rinpoche. Rencho Quardin Lama, Guipshan Zara, Conce Daga, Yampan Samjis, Pama, Yona Chetin, Lahidr Zedan, Georgian, Jafar Dagayla, Warzorshi, to some Dungarajanda, Chejin, Yarsome Bonsha, Hajalaso, Simchenton, near the Datsuna. Ramban Namjin, the Zartus or Kondo Shoji, Dongan Yitena, Debshalum Machira, Sada, Tondurdon Bichi, Chan Baby, Simbrando Patam, Chindra Shashi, Namka, Don Yambi, Semche Tamchi, Donda, and the Anamepa, Yonta Prazoka Sonji, Component Bojet to Presha. T-shirt the Tambichu Konji Seni, Ton Yam Selembre, Joe, Yambi, Sambash, on Chumcho, the Tuchi Panghon, the Sartamni, Chunian Bokundu Shopanamcho, London Mamchura, Jitas and Sir. la kong jik sember sha we chu ji ram ba na number jar we tur tam li nga da shi sha we ten chu pon sam sok pan ni shi war sha pa la tong mer ge wa le ji tan wa de ge wa yong ko tan ta mer ge wa njuk ko ton tong sum yo pa le oh yeah understand okay okay I try